It's already on the streets and it's not going unnoticed. The new 2025 Toyota 4Runner has arrived with a total redesign, turbo engine, hybrid version, and more technology than ever before. After more than a decade without major changes, Toyota has finally broken the mold. And yes, this SUV is everything it promises to be: powerful, adventurous, and more modern than ever. In this video, I'll tell you why the 2025 4Runner has already become one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, what's inside, how it feels to drive, and what makes it different from everything that came before. At first glance, the 2025 4Runner makes an impact. Its exterior design is much more aggressive: new hexagonal grille, sharp LED lights, more pronounced wheel arches, and a muscular profile that conveys strength and character. It is built on the TNGA-F platform, shared with the Tacoma and Land Cruiser, which allows it to offer greater structural rigidity, better performance, and, of course, better off-road capabilities. But the real change is inside. The interior of the new 2025 4Runner leaves behind its rustic image and focuses on technology and comfort. At the center is a touchscreen measuring up to 14 inches, accompanied by a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel. The multimedia system is faster and more intuitive, compatible with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and is complemented by an induction charger, USB-C ports, and a JBL audio system available on higher trim levels. The materials have also evolved. There are now soft-touch surfaces, aluminum details, and leather or durable upholstery depending on the version. The space is generous, with a third-row option and multiple storage compartments, making it ideal for both families and long trips. Another big leap forward comes under the hood. Say goodbye to the old V6. The 4Runner now features a 2.4-liter turbocharged iForce 4-cylinder engine that delivers 278 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, far surpassing the previous model. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which improves both acceleration and fuel economy. And for those looking for even more power and efficiency, the iForce Max hybrid version is available, combining that same turbo engine with an electric motor, generating up to 326 horsepower and 630 Nm of torque. A true monster, ideal for towing, climbing, and traversing any terrain without sacrificing fuel economy. The off-road essence remains intact. The 2025 4Runner maintains its adventurous focus, with 4x4 traction, terrain mode selector, descent control, and specific suspension for each version. Among the available versions are SR5, more accessible and versatile; TRD Off-Road, with lockable differentials and increased height; TRD Pro, focused on extreme off-roading; Limited, with a more urban and premium focus. And the big news, the Trailhunter version, designed for overlanding, with equipment for long journeys and extended range. All come equipped with the latest generation Toyota Safety Sense system, which includes autonomous braking, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and much more. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner isn't just a facelift. It's a total transformation: more powerful, more technologically advanced, more efficient, and with the same adventurous spirit as always. If you're looking for an SUV that's ready for anything, from the city to the mountains, the new 4Runner is a strong contender to lead the segment. What do you think? Is this radical change worth it? Leave us your comment, like the video, and subscribe for more content on cars, technology, and adventure. See you in the next video.